you lovely people out there. I want to ask you guys, how do I look today? Do I look nice? I know I look sexy. So I was heading out for a party and I thought, why not show you guys how I generally dress up when I go out for a party or for a dinner or for a date or whatever. So I'll show you 4 dressing styles which you can totally do and you can totally rock it, and I'll show you how. There are a few tips जो मैं आपको बताना चाहती हूँ before I go and change. ये चीज़ हमेशा दिमाग में रखनी चाहिए that you need to buy dresses according to your body type which suits you. So it's very important for a girl to know कि you know उस पे क्या अच्छा लग सकता है, because we don't want to impress. Of course we want to impress people, I get it, but what I'm trying to say here is you have to know what will suit your body according to your body type. Let's go. Let's get ready. So this is the first dress and I want you to guys also tell me how do I look in the dress, because I think I'm totally loving this and I think I'm looking super hot as well. Okay, so about this dress I want to tell you guys, this is for absolutely those divas who can totally slip into the dress and go for the clubbing or for red carpet event. Of course, that's your choice. So just slip into the dress and head out, girl. You are totally gonna rock it, I can assure you that. So let me get into the second costume and let's see how it comes out. So this costume is, you can wear this for clubbing, for dinner, your date nights. And one thing about this costume which I love the most is that jeans. I mean, who doesn't like jeans? Like, jeans is the most comfortable thing you can ever imagine, and you can just pair it up with a sexy top just like this. It's a bodysuit, and girls who don't feel comfortable in, you know, short dresses and mini skirts, they can totally rock themselves with such costume, which is a jeans and a sexy top. It can be anything. It could be a crop top, it could be a bodysuit or just a slip-on, anything. So after this dress, I'm gonna wear something really sparkly and something really, you know, shiny and something really cute and bubbly, just like me, just like how I am in real life. So let's do this. Okay, so this dress, how's this? So actually my best friend gifted me this one for my birthday, and since then I'm totally love with this. And this party dress, you can totally wear it for, you know, sexy clubs. You can just walk in, red carpet dress, and totally rock it in the party. I can assure you one thing, the moment you enter in the party, everybody is gonna lay their eyes on you, like for sure. So rock it, girl. So after this really sexy and shimmery and bubbly dress, I'm gonna slip into a really sexy, seductive and a lacy dress. Let's do this.
Oh yeah.
So, what do you wanna say in this? This is what I call the Arabian diva style. I want to tell you this, I am totally in love with the girls, the Arabic girls, how they dress up, their costumes and everything. And this dress is so beautiful, it is so beautiful. I actually got the slit done, it wasn't there in the dress and I got it done. Wear such dress and head out to the party. So I want कि आप लोग ये dress try करें, and I think you can order it online or maybe just get it done. Like just give it to the tailor and he'll make it for you. After wearing the last dress, I want to tell you guys कि, you know, because lockdown, COVID-19, quarantine and all this stuff going on in 2020, which none of us like, I know that. Like, I'm a person who loves to step out and who loves to go out with her friends, party, chill, eat in cafes and stuff, but I'm not able to do that. and but I love fashion. Like, I cannot deny this. I love fashion, and at home also I want to be comfortable yet stylish and cute. So I'm gonna show you guys two of my favorite dresses, loungewear, which I generally wear at home, which I prefer wearing at home, and yep, let's get started. Let's show you my two of the favorite loungewear dresses. Hey! As I was talking about comfortable lifestyle these days because of COVID and everything going on, this is what I'm wearing. I got this pajama set recently from Amazon, and it's really nice and it's really soft and comfortable at home. So this is where I chill every day, and most of the time I sit with my phone and just Instagram. I'm an Instagram addict, so I Instagram and I take a lot of photos and selfies. And yep, about books. So I'm not really a book person, but I would say that I try to read, but then I think I'm a person who cannot read books, like totally. And I try to read some and then I get bored and I'm like, whatever, just let it go. Just do Instagram and take photos and stuff. So yeah, that's about it. This is my first look for the loungewear, and let's go to the second. Hey! So this is my second dress, and the first one was a pajama set, and this is a very nice and cute slip-on dress, and it's really cute. And I'm not much of a fan of pink color, but this right here just had my eyes. I had to grab it. And yeah, so this is very cute, and it makes you feel really good in the house. It's really cute. It's like a doll, and we girls, we love being dolled up all the time. And yes, so let me know if you try this dress on, and I would love to hear everything you want to say in the comment section, and I love to hear your comments, so please do comment, please let me know. And yep, take care, bye bye.